beat slow, heart firm. Sky full of answer. If you listen, you learn. Night breeze talk through to me. Moonlight wash the dread. Every thought will vex me. Me leave them on the bed. Them say the road rough scene, but me born fi trod it clean. Every scar turn scripture, every tear turn green. Jah put fire in a weary foot. When the body won't give way, me say he's up so I'ma blaze through the grave. So me meditate, let the mind get still. One love in my chest, one prayer, one will. If the world get loud, me not lose me way. Me sit with the silence and hear what it say. Under the stars me rise, under the stars me strong. Under the stars me find where the suffering belong. Under the stars me chant, under the stars me see. One breath, one road, one truth that keep guiding me. Little more me remember, man no one no time. So me guard me spirit like a gold crown shine. No bad mind can plant roots where the river stay pure. No fake praise can trick me when my purpose secure. Seeing me love the hard lesson, cause it shape how me stand. Even broken clay cannot hold a righteous hand. So me lift up every youth we feel lost in the dark. Tell them carry your fire and protect your spark. So me meditate, let the mind get still. One love in my chest, one prayer, one will. If the world get loud, me not lose me way. Me sit with the silence and hear what it say. Under the stars me rise, under the stars me strong. Under the stars me find where the suffering belong. Under the stars me chant, under the stars me see. One breath, one road, one truth that keep guiding me. When the night get deep and the fear them call me, remember say the sky still bigger than all. So me hold me center, me no run, me no flee. Every step me take now is absolving me. Under the stars me rise, under the stars me strong. Under the stars me find where the suffering belong. Under the stars me chant, under the stars me see. One breath, one road, one truth that keep guiding me.
Walk through the dawn, me feel the ground. Every rough road, it turn me around. Life can't fool me, me know the lesson. Even the pain bring a holy reflection. Babylon press, but me heart stay true. Jah light a move in all we do. Breadfruit tree and a red dirt lane. Teach me fi rise to the grief and rain. So me lift up me head from the dust where me tread. Hear the old wisdom call. One love stand tall. Zion I guide me steps. Zion reflection, me not lose me breath. Zion reflection, hold the weak heart strong. Zion reflection, keep we forward long. Me see the youth them with fire in a eye. One will leap fast but truth walk by. Every shortcut catch up like shadow. Only clean hands plant tomorrow. If you lose your way, start over again. River no shame when it meet the rain. Stone by stone, build your foundation. Small little seed turn revelation. So me lift up me head from the dust where me tread. Hear the old wisdom call. One love stand tall. Zion reflection, I guide me steps. Zion reflection, me not lose me breath. Zion reflection, hold the weak heart strong. Zion reflection, keep we forward long. When the night get heavy, still me praise. Every scar a spark in the place. No bag of gold could buy the peace. Only truth make the restless cease. Zion reflection, I guide me steps. Zion reflection, me not lose me breath. Zion reflection, hold the weak heart strong. Zion reflection, keep we forward long. Zion reflection, when me spirit bend. Zion reflection, it build again. Zion reflection, from beginning to end. Zion reflection, me little friend. Hear me now, brethren, hear me clear. Every step I take, Jah dey near. Stone in a shoe, still me a stride. Long road rough, but me nah slide. Life teach truth in a every bruise. What you plant, one day must choose. So me lift my chin, hold my ground. Even when the whole place feel upside down. Burn the fear, let it pass. One small flame can outlast. Rasta heart stay firm and true. What you give, come back to you. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, till the night gone. Take me higher, keep me strong. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, guide me through. Holy drum beat, whether true and true when me weak, you make
So let the big drum talk to the soul and make the broken spirit whole. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat till the night gone. Take me higher, keep me strong. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, guide me through. Holy drum beat, brother, true and true. When me weak, you make me strong. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Yeah.
What want me meditate in the cool of dawn? Mind like a river, all pain wash away long. Every breath a prayer, every step a reason. I stay grounded through every season. Babylon chat, but me now move light. Firm like stone when the world get fight. Seen enough sorrow, seen enough rain. Still me rise up, same heart, same flame. So me close me eye, make the nights fall back. Find the holy road, not the hidden track. One heartbeat, one truth, one name. Dying on me chest, never stay same. Eternal meditation, keep me irie. Eternal meditation, free up the soul. Eternal meditation, make me wiser. I steady in the control. Oh Lord. I steady in the control. No one chase shadow, no one make time. Life too short for waste on empty crime. Me watch your thoughts like clouds pass by. No chain can hold when the spirit fly. When hunger talk loud and pride get tall, stillness answer make the whole thing small. One little smile can break big fear. One deep truth make the pathway clear. So me close me eye, make the nights fall back. Find the holy road, not the hidden track. One heartbeat, one truth, one name. Dying on me chest, never stay same. Eternal meditation, keep me irie. Eternal meditation, free up my soul. Eternal meditation, make me wiser. I steady in the control. Oh Lord. I steady in the control. fight it. Chalice in a hand, we ignite it. Herbal wisdom flowing freely. Them say it wrong, but we see clearly. Sacred smoke, I rise up high, touching spirit in the sky. Give us vision, give us might, burning bright through darkest night. Man a search for truth, them blind. Mental shackles, them confined. Jah light shining through the haze, breaking free from wicked ways. Sacred smoke, I rise up high, touching spirit in the sky. Give us vision, give us might, burning bright through darkest night. So pure, healing mind and heart for sure. One love, one aim, one destiny. Sacred smoke for all to see. Sacred smoke, I rise up high, touching spirit in the sky. Give us vision, give us might, burning bright through darkest night.
Not from the fear, not from the lie, them run from a place where the heart stand firm and true, where the moon light up all the things man do. So when the road get rough, me not sink, me not drown. Lift up me head when the whole world frown. One step, one breath, one prayer. fire to the sky. Say brother keep moving, don't you ask why.
African night sky,
Show me the way.
African night sky,
Carry me through the clay.
African night sky,
Make me stay strong under that heaven. Me still belong. African night sky, guide me home. African night sky, I'm in a room. See the child in the dust with a lion heart. No gold in her hand, still she play her part. She laugh in the heat, she dream in a plane. Turn every scar into sun after rain. Man chase vanity, then him lose him name. Run from him shadow, feet on shame. But truth stand up like a baobab tree. Root deep in the dark, that's how we get free. So when the night come down and the dogs get loud, remember the drumming of the bones of the proud. If your back get bent, still your spirit fly high. Raise up your voice to the wandering sky. African night sky, show me the way. African night sky, carry me through the clay. African night sky, make me stay strong under that heaven. Me still belong. African night sky, guide me home. African night sky, I'm in a room. Listen, brethren, the mountain no move in a day. River cut stone by the same slow way. So walk with patience and walk with fire. The soul get taller through the good and the tired. If the world say done, say begin. If the door stay closed, find the wind. Me no beg feel light when the stars day. Me learn to shine from the night. Yeah. African night sky, show me the way. African night sky, carry me through the clay. African night sky, let me stay strong under that heaven. Me still belong. African night sky, guide me home. African night sky, I'm in a room. Inna the valley, we hail from the clay. Make me tell you, every rock have a say. River a teach, stone a remember. Hard road bridge, strength from January to December. Man say, why you still stand so? Me say, because the breeze still blow. When life get rough like cut cane skin. All the faith member said the night can't win. So we chip down the doubt, step out with grace. Plant good seed in a the troubled place. Every small joy, keep it near. Listen close, the truth is clear. Don't be in the valley, we rise again. Don't be in the valley through sun and rain. Hold on, hold firm, no afraid the bend. Don't be in the valley till the road it mend. We chant and move. Don't be in the valley. Find your groove if your heart get low and your spirit tired. no come free. Make the bread, share the bread. One love grow where the pride get dead. Now beg look, we build, we done. Stone by stone, we make the land. Every tear we fall inna the dust. Turn to courage, turn to just. So we chip down the door, step out with grace. Plant good seed inna the troubled place. Every small joy, keep it near. Listen close, the truth is clear. Dub inna the valley, we rise again. Dub inna the valley, through sun and rain. Hold on, hold firm, no fear the bend. Dub inna the valley, till the road it mend. We chant and move, dub inna the valley. Find your groove if your heart get low and your spirit tired. Inna the valley, get back inspired. Let them talk and go. The root them deep so the whole tree grow. Every storm is a teacher too. It break you open, make you true. When the night draw long and cold, find the fire in all your soul. No live for fear, live for rise. See the mountain through bright eyes. Dub inna the valley, we rise again. Dub inna the valley, through sun and rain. Hold on, hold firm, no afraid the bend. Dub inna the valley, till the road it mend. Dub inna the valley, we chant and move. Dub inna the valley, find no brood if your heart get low and your spirit tired. Inna the valley, get back inspired. Me sit by the flame, watch wood turn gold in a slow motion frame. Babylon chat but the night still calm. Heartbeat steady like a drum in a palm. Me say every spark got a story to tell. From the ash and the smoke still we rise so well. So me hold the light and me hold the road. One small blaze can lighten heavy load. No need for force it, no need for fight. Truth come easy when you feed the light. From within me see bare feet dance pan a coral stone. Unrealized joy can be bought or owned. Every hard road when me sweat and tread teach me how to live, not how to dread. If you lose your way, just look on the skies. See a moon and watch over the humble and wise. So me hold the light and me hold the road. One small blaze can lighten every load. No need for force it, no need for fight. Truth come easy when you feed the light. Peaceful firelight, keep me whole. Peaceful firelight, bless me soul. Ease up brother, ease up sister. One love glowing at the warm light center. flame burn, me not beg for crown, me not beg for throne. Just a clean, clear mind and a heart like stone. Solid like the roof, soft like the rain. Hold the lesson, let go the chain. Peaceful firelight, keep me whole. Peaceful firelight, bless my soul. Ease up, brother, ease up, sister. One love glowing at the warm night center. Peaceful firelight, stay bright. Peaceful firelight, guide me right.
Whispering wind, where you tell me tonight? Say every man carry sun and shadow in a sight. Me walk on the road, feet tired but my mind still bright. Babylon a push, but my soul hold tight. Long time I learn, say no tree reach kindness. Rasta man know every bitter root makes sweet taste. If you want rise, first know you grow no waste. Jah bless the one we move with grace. So me breath in slow, let the firm truth grow. Even storm I go, still the seed I feel know. Whispering wind, carry me through, carry me through, carry me through. Whispering wind, show me what you, show me what you, show me what you. Keep the fire warm, keep the mind firm. Whispering wind, me hear you call. Stand up tall, stand up tall. Man coulda chat big, but action speak loud. Me see plenty lion disappear in a crowd. Every little blessing, me take it on proud. No chase vanity, me stay earthbound. If your heart gets heavy, don't sit down with the pain. It a rain pon the grave and fall, smile in a chain. Me learn from the river, it never fight the rain. It just find path again. So me breath in slow, let
and crest. Star may blow, but me know best. Truth keep bright when the whole world tests. Foot on the road, dust on the shoe. Every step, me see through. False man chat, but them words go few. Real light shine when the soul stay true. Selassie vibes keep me centered. When life vex me get wiser. Them try drag but me get stronger. Loving on me bone, fire in on me bone. Conscious spirit, lead me on. Conscious spirit, make me strong. When Babylon come, me hold my ground. Conscious spirit, lift me now. Me see the poor man, me see the king. Both are search for the same one thing. More than food, more than bling. Want no peace when the soul starts sing. If you lose your way, start from within. Silence talk where the crowd cannot win. Big up the heart where the light begin. Clean up the fear, let the joy walk in. Every seed need rain and sun. Every soul need more than run. Chasing shadow till the day done. But truth stay firm like the rising one. Selassie vibes keep me centered. When life vex me get wiser. Them try drop but me get stronger. Loving on me bone, fire in on me banner. Conscious spirit, lead me on. Conscious spirit, make me strong. When Babylon come, me hold my ground. Conscious spirit, lift me now. Looking at the river, see your face. Not the mask, not the chase. What you give come back same place. Plant good seed in a hard soil space. No need gold to prove your work. You was born with the breath of earth.